Hello and welcome to the Lighter Home ceiling fan review for the Viper ceiling fan made by Fantasia. Now the Fantasia Viper is Fantasia's flagship model of ceiling fan. It's been around for a long time, but it's very high quality. Now the first thing I should probably tell you about is the size of the box in case you want to ship abroad. The box measures 66 by 26 by 30 centimetres and it weighs approximately 10.9 kilos with all the packaging. Now the Viper fan comes in two different sizes, a 44 inch and a 54 inch. The only difference between the two fans are literally the pack of blades. The motor housing is the same, no matter which size fan you have, and there usually isn't a difference in price either. Colour wise, the Fantasia standard Viper comes in white and stainless steel at the moment, and there is a different set of blades that can be fitted into both fans. There's a variety of colours. There is dark oak, maple, white and black blades. Certain fans come with certain colours, but you can interchange between the range. Standard Viper ceiling fan like this one comes with a 10-year warranty. That's for the motor, and the remote control has a 2-year warranty. What we'll do, we'll take it apart, open it up and have a little look at it so we can show you. So when opening the box for the Fantasia Viper, use a knife and obviously be careful of your fingers. Cut down the edges, like so, and cut down the middle, but I would advise you pull the flaps up a little bit, because underneath this is the blades and you don't want to nick the blades with the actual knife. So let's open it up, and the first thing we see inside the top of the fan is a polystyrene tray. So we will pull that out like so and we'll run through the bits for you. So first thing is the owner's instruction manual. It's fairly straightforward, gives you an idea of how to fit the fan. And the pack of blades. Now this is a 54 inch pack of blades. There is a 44 inch size version as well, as we explained earlier. So we'll put those there. Warranty card. You can also register a warranty on our website, which is facebook.com/lighterhome. Halogen bulbs. Now this particular version is a halogen version of the Viper. They are replacing the halogen version with the LED, and there are LED bulbs that can be fitted into this type of fan. But there is new LED array that has been built into the Viper itself, so very soon it will just be LED versions available. Drop rod. This is pre-fitted on a ball joint. It's a 6-inch version. All Vipers come with a 6-inch version, and you can buy longer drop rods as an accessory that would fit and replace this unit, or there are flush mounting kits available as well if you prefer your Viper fan to fit directly to the ceiling. Maybe you've got a low ceiling. You will also find ceiling fan's hanging bracket, which is straightforward, screws to the ceiling, and the dishes that cover up the attachment to the ceiling. There is also screw packs, which is self-explanatory, and a self-balancing kit as well, just in case you have any kind of wobble, which is unusual on a Fantasia fan, but if you did, they provide you a little kit just to rectify the wobble. Once the top tray has been removed, you then have a secondary tray at the bottom of the box with all the other parts in. And what we'll do is we'll take them out now so you can have a little look at them as well. So the first thing to show you is the cover for the light on the fan. There we go. It's an opal glass dish. Sits on the bottom of the fan, which is there on the actual model itself. And metal blade carriers. Now these are the parts that actually attach to the fan that the wooden blades attach to. They are usually the same colour as the actual fan itself. And remote control. Now the remote control comes in two parts on all Fantasia model fans. They always come in a little bag, sealed up. They have instructions as well. You have a handset and a receiver unit. The instructions tell you how to fit the receiver unit into the top of the fan. It's straightforward. There are colour-coded wires to fit that match the fan motor itself. And the handset will control the actual motor of the fan and the light as well. Now, the light can be dimmed up and down from 100% down to 10% by holding the button. If you hold the light button in, it will cycle down and dim down to the level you want. If you let go of the actual button itself, it will stay at the level you want and will come back on and off at that level until you change it again using the same process. The remote control handset will also control the 3 speeds of the fan. There's a low, medium and high button, and there's also an off button as well. The next major part in the box is the motor housing itself, which, if we open up. This is obviously a white Viper. There are the cables above that would fit down your small drop rod, or the flush mounting kit if you buy that. As we say, they are colour coded for the receiver unit. You will also see on the motor housing the reversing switch. So if you want to recirculate hot air trapped at ceiling level, then you would use this switch to reverse the angle and direction of the actual blades of the fan. The underside of the unit, inside the motor, is the lamp holders. This one, as explained earlier, is a G9 halogen version. There are LED bulbs that will go in, but newer models will come with an LED array fitted in here that will take up this space and will be fully LED. The glass bowl unit obviously will fit onto the ceiling fan like so. The blade holders will fit around the ceiling fan holding the blades. So that is pretty much everything you get in the box. It's actually quite self-explanatory how to put it together. The instructions are very comprehensive. But if you have any issues, you can always email us, or you can give us a call on 024 7671 7043, or you can visit our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/lighterhome. I hope this video has been informative. If it has, then please like it. Thank you. All Viper models and Viper Plus models are available in stock at lighterhome.net, as well as support and advice if you need it.